Hi everybody, welcome to DIY Easy. Today I'm making another video on Temu. And before I start, I want to welcome everybody who subscribed to my page. I thank you so much and for watching my channel. And all those who are new or just started to watch my channel, I welcome you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe to my channel. Today I got another bag from Temu. I'm making another video for Temu, from Temu, and I bought some stuff here, some boxes. I don't know, I forgot what I got in here, but if anybody's interested in seeing anything that like anything that I got, you could just also go online in www.temu.com, or you could just download their app on your phone. Okay. Alright, so this bag I have here from Temu, it's a big bag. As you can see here, it's big. You know, and I think it's in good condition. I don't see no holes in it. Even though I don't like these bags. You know, they're very thin. And I like the orange one better. Okay, so let's see. Alright, let me start. Alright, and I know I have some boxes in here. I don't know what was it that I ordered, what I have. But I got another, from the other video, another fan. A nice little fan that I got, that I bought. And this one is pink. And it comes with a charger. And it also has 3 ways. You know, 3 turns. So this one, you stand it, you know, you could keep it down and sit down, and it comes with a little purple light, as you can see. And everything that I got, and I, you know, show, it'll be the details of it will be up there, how much I bought it for. And this was in clearance sale, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so oops, sorry about that. All right, here we go. All right, it's pretty good, you know, it's nice and breezeful. And then you can make it go faster. So it's 3 level. Then you charge it whenever you want to, and put it here, the little plug. But you need a plug for it, and this is the USB for it, you know, and you just charge it. Okay. Isn't that cute? And they have it in different colors. So I got the blue one from before, and I got the pink one. All right. And I have this big giant box, and this is for the bathroom. This that I have bought is for the bathroom. So for the toilet paper. This is the first time I bought this, so I never bought this before. As you can see in the bottom, if you want to put tissue, you know, tissues in here, and this is to pull it out. Or if you just want to use it for the toilet paper, you put the toilet paper in here, and then you pull it, you know, the toilet paper out, okay, through the bottom, as you can see. And that way you could keep your toilet paper nice and clean. And this comes out, so you could put your toilet paper in there. Okay, and then here you have a little, nice little drawer that you could keep maybe some cloth washcloth, you know, the cleaning washcloth, you know. So for the women's. And then it comes with a back piece. You seal it to the wall, and after you seal it to the wall, I don't know how it works, but oh, it's this way. Sorry about that. Okay, so you seal it. You peel this off, as you can see, and you seal it to the wall, and then you snap it on there, and good to have. And this is good for everything, because you, instead of putting toilet paper in here, you could put like your cleanest box, you know, of tissue, you know, and you pull it on the big one, or you could just put the toilet paper in there. But I think it's cute for the toilet paper, and I think I'm gonna get me another one. And here, I don't know what is this for, but it looked like it had a shelf in here. I'm not mistaken. What is it for? I don't see nothing in the box. Okay, so this is cute, and I didn't get it that much, even though this is expensive, but I got it on clearance sale or lightning sale, one of those. All right. All right, and did I get 2 or 1? I don't know what I got. This is gonna be a short video because I don't really have that many things in here. Oh, another box. And this is a big box. Here we go. And I don't know if I got 2 of those. But here, I don't know, what is this? Okay, this is for the eggs. This holds 32 eggs, and it's for the refrigerator. If I could take it out. Oh, there we go. All right, here we go. Okay. This is so cute, and I think I got 2 of these. Yeah, I think the other box is in there, and I think it's the same. But this holds it holds 32 eggs, 12 and 12. No, not 12. This is 16 and 16. Yeah, 16 and 16, and you put your eggs in there, you know, and keep them fresh in here. Nice and fresh. You want to keep your eggs fresh. And I think this is a great idea. Very, very great idea. So this is a good buy. And I got it in lightning sale, I think, or clearance sale. And as you can see, it has the air, you know, to keep the eggs fresh. They don't get, you know, old or mold. But I think it's a great idea. Now I have another one. And so I bought 2 of these. So it's the same. I'm not gonna open it up, but it's the same thing. So this video is short. Okay, so it's the same one, as you can see, for the eggs. And I got 2 of them. So altogether is 4 things. All right, that was quick and short. Okay. Thank you everybody for staying along with me through the whole video, which was short. You continue having a great day, and thank you for following me, to all my subscribers and all those who are new. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, everybody stay healthy and safe. God bless. Bye.